to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. My name is Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to show you VNC Paste. VNC Paste is one of those tools that you can only appreciate once you're in a condition where you have to use VNC. So VNC is a control panel that is an emergency access to your server. This usually is necessary when you lock yourself out of your server, or SSH doesn't work, or for whatever reason you have to reset it. And there's no other way to do it except through the console. Now, I use this company called HostHatch. By the way, I'll leave a description or a link below because it is the best hosting company you can get. I've tried all of them. This one is nearly 100% uptime. It's like 99.99% all the time. Never had any issues. I really recommend this. If you get nothing else out of this video, get HostHatch. So in HostHatch, there's a console option where you can type your content. Now, one of the things with VNC is because it is a canvas element, it means you can't paste anything into it. So pasting doesn't work. So if you've ever seen those commands where you have to unlock a terminal, it might be 10, 20, 30 characters long. And anyway, the first thing you have to do is log in. So to log into one of these with one of those passwords is a real pain, because just like in Linux, where it doesn't show you the password as you're typing, there's no way for you to see the password once you're in here. So how would you do that? You'd have to have a text pad and one by one make sure that the characters are correct. I looked online, there was nothing similar to this, so I decided to create a working version. So the way it works is you type VNC, that pulls up this little box, and what you can do here is you can set the delay here, something small like 100 milliseconds should do it. And you type whatever line you want to type, and when you press enter on here, it will press enter in the VNC controller. So this is obviously going to be the wrong password, but you're going to see how it works. So what it's going to do is going to type root, and then invisibly it will type the password. Now your password might be something long like this. Now this will obviously be incorrect, but you'll see what I mean. Imagine trying to type this by hand when you can't see what was typed. One mistake and you have to start again. So here, this will obviously be incorrect because I just made it up, but you're going to see the process working. So after I press type, you have 3 seconds to click back into the video. So once you've clicked here, make sure that you click back into the panel. So you're going to see a little countdown. I'm clicked there now. You're going to see root being typed, and then you're going to see the other characters being typed there. And you're going to see it says wrong password because obviously I just made that up. But you can see how quickly that works. So you can type whole long series of commands without ever having to do it one by one, or without, just being able to paste it. That would be very difficult if you didn't have this tool. So that is VNC Paste from SEO Time Machines.